it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. We're going to be opening day 23 of our Advent calendar for 2024. I can't believe Christmas is just a couple of days away. I hope you've enjoying the Advent calendar and joining in with me as we open them up and see what every day has in store. Not wait any further and let's see what day 23 has. I've got day 23 here. I always love opening these up. Oh, look, we have another die. This is another word die. So earlier, several days ago, we opened up Hip Hip Hooray. I don't know if you can tell in the light. If I hold it right, dies are backwards, because you have to flip them over to cut them out. But this says Make a Wish in that nice bold font, the same as Hip Hip Hooray. Now we have Make a Wish. I know we can create some fun cards with this and all the other supplies and items that we've opened thus far in the Advent calendar. So thanks again for joining me this afternoon as we open day 23. I hope you'll join me tomorrow. It'll be Christmas Eve and we'll open up day 24. Have a nice night.